I'm going to show you how to create a quick hairstyle on long, thick, heavy hair. Well, actually not long, but very thick hair. So the first thing you need to do is take a section from that parting line down to just behind the ear and clip the hair away. And then we're going to take our second section, come down behind the ear and clip this section away. And our next section that we're going to work with is, or that we're going to create, is our crown section. If you think you need, you can pop an extra little clip on there. She's got an extra lot of hair just to make sure, but make sure these are secure because you don't want to have to keep coming back and re-securing your sections. I'm going to use some Style and Care lotion, so a little bit of heat protector, because we are going to use a little bit of heat on the hair. And then we're going to create a ponytail here at the back. So if you're working with thick hair, I always find it a really good idea to just get rid of some of the hair first. And that's why we kind of put everything, most of the hair in a ponytail here. And then we're going to curl this hair. Just do a quick curl. You could use the tongs, whatever you find quickest and easiest. So keep the sections kind of smallish. That's the ponytail curled. Now let's do our crown section. If you wanted a bit of volume, you could put some back combing in here, just a kind of little row at a time. You could use a little bit of texturizing powder in the hair, again, a row at a time, if you want volume. And then we're going to add this to the ponytail. So we do this separately so you can get that volume there. And remember, we do want this style to be secure. So this is your secure ponytail. And then we're going to add the hair from the crown to that ponytail. Curl. Now, if you want this to be a little bit piecey and a bit textured, you can use your Infinium hairspray, stronghold hairspray, and curl the hair here with the tongs. So you can start to position this hair and bring it down, and that's just from giving it a quick curl with the tongs and with the Infinium hairspray. So let me just twist that hair, hold the hair with your finger and slide the bobby pin under your finger and into the hair, pushing against the hair a little bit. She's pushing against you a little bit. That's it, and the bobby pin will slide up into the hair and be hidden. Then our side sections. Then we'll curl, use the straighteners here on these front sections, because I think we're going to have some of these sections of hair down. I think before we bring these sides back, let's get this back bit up. So you're going to pick up your bunches of kind of curled hair and put a little twist on there, and the hair's all going in different directions, which is what we want. And then on the end of here, we're going to pop a band, and then we're just going to pin that up and grip that hair using the hairband that we just put on there, and you're just going to grip that up towards the ponytail that we created earlier. Do another one. Twist, pull and loosen just a little bit, pop an elastic band on there, and I'll drop the hair into position. Keep twisting, secure the hairband. That's it. So that's our kind of beginning of the bun. Now we're just going to finish off with the side sections coming back and over the top. And then that's your quick messy bun finished. Decide which little bits are going to be down, and you can always recurl these if you need to. Get this section, twist, pull. You could do some little braids here if you wanted to. So you get the hair, create the twist, and across the back of the twist, almost where your thumb is holding the hair flat against the head, that's where the bobby pin needs to go. So it's kind of going under your thumb, then when your thumb comes away, the twist stays in place. Curl the front sections down. And remember, you're curling the hair here away from the face. And that's our super quick hairstyle for a bridesmaid with lots of very thick, heavy hair.